Many people think about starting a YouTube channel to make money by growing their subscriber base until they hit that magical 1,000 subscriber threshold when the YouTube gods bestow upon them the ability to monetize their channel and start earning revenue from advertisements. And this method definitely works, but it can also be a slow and tedious journey to reach the Holy Land. I spent well over a year and created over 100 videos before YouTube paid me a single dime. And that's a lot of time and effort to invest into something before you ever start to see a payoff. But what if there was a better way? What if you could start earning money from YouTube on your very first day? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning cold hard cash the fast way. And the best part is it doesn't take any skill, effort, or even knowledge really to get started. The technique I'm talking about is to leverage the ability to communicate with a large YouTube audience with the money-making powers of affiliate marketing. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, companies spend billions of dollars per year on advertising budgets to plaster their product all over billboards, magazines, Facebook ads, television, or radio commercials. The Coca-Cola company averages about $4 billion per year on advertising. And because of their efforts, I don't know of anyone who hasn't at least tried a Coke. But one of the problems with having a large advertising budget is that the results aren't guaranteed. There's no guarantee that just because a company spends millions of dollars running a Super Bowl ad, that their consumers will go out and actually start buying their product. But what if there was a way to more tactically spend their budget so that they could guarantee results? Instead of spending large sums on ads, the company instead pays individual people to do the marketing for them. Now all the time, effort, and marketing falls on the individual, and they are rewarded for every consumer that they can get to buy the other company's products. One of the best ways to get started with affiliate marketing is just to sign up to be an affiliate with Amazon.com. Once you've signed up, Amazon will let you create customized internet hyperlinks that will take a customer to a particular product for sale on Amazon. And every time a customer clicks on that link and buys that product, you get paid a percentage of that sale. And the best part is, if the customer buys several items at once after clicking your referral link, you don't just get paid on that one item that you referred them to. Instead, you get paid for each and every single item in their shopping cart that they bought. So since you signed up with Amazon, it's time to start referring customers to buy their products. And the easiest way to do this, at least in my opinion, is to do product reviews for household items. We've often wondered which vacuum cleaner is the best or the cheapest, or which brand of juicer is the easiest to get clean. By doing a targeted product review, you can reach every single person that is interested in buying that particular item, which can easily be millions of people. As you can see, this video for a popular brand of juicer has over 1.6 million views. And if you look in the description, the very first thing you see is, yep, you guessed it, an affiliate link that will take you to Amazon.com where you can buy this product and in turn earn a commission for the creator of the video. Now, obviously, I don't know how many of these 1.6 million viewers clicked on that link and bought this juicer, but let's be real. Every single viewer was already interested in this juicer. All you had to do was convince them to act. So I would assume that a fairly decent number of people used this affiliate link. And if you're earning several percentage points on an item that costs several $100, then the money earned can start to add up quickly. And the best part is that once you make a video, that video will continue to gain views and earn income for years. So while you do have to do a little bit of work up front, you can benefit for years worth of passive income later down the road. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind when you're doing your product reviews, and the first is I would suggest doing reviews on some of the higher quality items. I mean, people that are looking for a super cheap vacuum cleaner probably aren't spending a whole lot of time researching vacuum cleaners, and they just expect that whatever cheap vacuum they buy is gonna suck, but not in the good kind of way. Instead, target product reviews that are a little bit more pricey. Not only will you earn a larger commission for each sale simply because it's a more expensive product, but the chances are probably higher that if someone is going to be spending a fair amount of money on this product, that they first want to make sure that it's worth it and will spend more time researching the product, which will lead them to your product review. When you're making your video, you want to be very specific to the particular type, make, and model of whatever it is that you're trying to promote. For example, if you were to make a similar product review of this juicer that we saw previously, you probably wouldn't want to do a video titled Best Juicer. While that may sound like a logical title, you're also going to be competing for views against many other similar YouTube videos. Instead, by narrowing the scope of your video and really focusing in on that particular make and model number, you will better target your audience and won't have nearly as much competition from other YouTube videos, greatly increasing the chance that someone watches your video as opposed to watching someone else's video. So, where can you get your hands on all of these items to review? Well, I would first suggest by starting with any products that you already own. Did you recently go buy a new PlayStation 5? How about a TV, tablet, toaster, whatever you've got? Once you've reviewed all of the random stuff around your home, you can easily go and get more. Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond, or any other number of department stores offer a wide selection of products that you can review. The best part is that since being a content creator for YouTube is a legitimate business and you are buying this product for the sole purpose of doing a product review on it, that product suddenly becomes a legitimate business expense and can be easily written off on your taxes. Just be sure to keep the receipts. And here's where I have to throw out the standard disclaimer: I'm not a tax professional, consult your own peeps. Speaking of receipts, there's nothing that technically says that you have to keep the product. You could theoretically buy something, bring it home, do a review on it, and then return it to the store with the receipt the very next day and get a different product. Now, you're going to want to give an honest review pointing out both the good and the bad things about the product, which shouldn't be an issue because if the product is of decent quality, then it will have far more good features than negative ones. Giving an honest and unbiased review will feel more natural and less sleazy infomercial. Over time, people will respect your reviews and be interested in more of your reviews, subscribing to your channel and eventually gain enough subscribers to also earn money the old-fashioned way by having YouTube insert random ads into your videos. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing as I talk about a wide variety of topics on personal finance, helping you earn more, spend less, and invest the difference. And as always, I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.